Hi there, my name is Shaft Uddin and I am a coach. I'm a mentor. I help, my niche actually is helping millionaires find love through ancient tantric practices, which is wrapped in a modern day little bubble. So it's easily digestible as a beautiful little pill that you could swallow and fall in love with yourself and other people. So my job is to help men and women and couples either heal from love, awaken in love, find love, or deepen in love in a current relationship. Basically, there's these cycles of love and I'm here to support my clients. So at the moment, one of my clients, he has social anxiety. He's always thinking about what he's gonna say before he gets to an event, and he has crippling social anxiety. I used to have crippling social anxiety. So I'm gonna make him a course. What you're about to watch is me making a course about a course. So you could make courses quicker. One of my special skill sets is I could make a course from concept to completion and upload in 4 hours. It's so easy for me. And I thought I might as well share the process. So what I'm going to show you right now is how I overcame social anxiety, how I turned everything into a bunch of scripts that I collected over the years since 2019 when my social anxiety was really bad. Now I don't have social anxiety, so I'm teaching from a place of pain, which was real. I figured it out, I practiced it, and now I don't have social anxiety. So that's how, as teachers and mentors, we teach. We have a problem, we solve it, then we share the solution. So you could overcome your pain quicker and not go through years of suffering like I did. So social anxiety is a real thing. It's getting worse and worse for a lot of people due to these devices and the lack of connection and isolation. So I've developed a bunch of scripts. Now what I'm about to show you is the back end of everything that I'm going to create and have created and structured, so it's easy for me to shoot the content for my client. So what I'm going to show you now is the boring stuff. So over the years, I collected a lot of notes, and these notes, I call it the Krishna Charisma program, are things that have helped me. And a lot of the things that I use to this day, and the people who helped me, like my mate Hal says, attractive women are used to people acting awkward around them. So just by saying, hi, what's your name, you seem fun, is enough to make her feel good about herself. I passed my test, Hal. As you can see, I'm not very good at reading out loud, but I'm very good at teleprompters. So this, I ran into my ChatGPT. I created a GPT for online course creator. I have put all of the notes and I've structured it, so ChatGPT has done it for me. I have an account on Go Modern. You can get an account on Go Modern for $97 per month. It's like Kajabi, but $97. So I got the cheapest thing you could get, and it literally tells you how to structure your course. So that's the title: Self-Confidence, Overcome Social Anxiety with Simple Scripts. You got your welcome to the course section, and it literally gives you a blueprint. Welcome to the online course blueprint, this blah, 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 blah. So it's literally done for you these days. You follow the format, put it into ChatGPT, it'll do it for you. I created a little thumbnail with my sexy self, and then this is the thing that will house all of my videos. So that's the boring stuff. The fun stuff is basically talking about these scripts. And this is the final bit. I use a very big ring light. I use a cinematic view on my iPhone, and I have a bit of depth of field. So there's something in the background, me there, so it's a bit blurred out, and it's pretty plain, as you can see. So that is where I'm going to be shooting. Very simple. For sound equipment, I'm using the Rode. You actually don't need any of this stuff. The iPhone is good enough that you don't need expensive equipment like this, so this is pointless, to be honest. As you can see, it's pretty easy. Now, explaining this, and I'm shooting this video about the video, making a video, whilst I'm creating my own online course. So I still have a 4-hour window. I'm 20 minutes in, and I already have my structure. Now, the fun part of this is telling your story, being authentic, telling your journey, and people get connected to you. So you need to tell your story and how you overcame it. Now, I don't have social anxiety, but it does come back again, and it's crippling and it's horrible. So I've gone through the pain, and I really believe that's the whole point of life, to find really hard problems, go through hell, keep on going, find a solution, help others, contribute to society, and elevate human consciousness. It's not a me game, it's a we game. So that's why I love creating online content and online courses, so people could get these hacks a lot quicker. Now, I personally have created 8 online courses already, all in like 2 months, 3 months. It didn't take long, and my dream is actually to make easily 1,000. I could easily make 1,000 online courses, so I'm on the road to do it now. So enjoy this. What I'm going to do now is film all of the material, minimum 30 minutes, 5 sections is preferred. And like I said, if you have a program like Go Modern, remember, follow the link and you could get it for $97 a month. You can also, do it yourself, and it literally just tells you what to do. ChatGPT is my husband. I just put it all into there. I created a GPT that is an online course creation machine. Because I've done it so many times, I know exactly what I need to tell my husband, and he does it for me. So enjoy the rest of this video. So we are 2 hours in, and I've made 4 videos, and we've just got a little bit more left to go, so not long left, to be honest. Okay, it's midnight. It took 5 hours. This was a bit longer, mainly because I was making it up as I was going along. I've been writing lots of notes since 2019, so I have to put all the notes in order, run it through ChatGPT. I created a nice little system, and you can't see it, but let me flip the camera around. So the nice little system is all here. I shot all the videos, and if you go inside here, you got the structure, and yeah, the prompt was pretty easy. Once I put all my notes in, I said, can you create a teleprompter, a title for the chapter, teleprompter script, and descriptions. Make sure the descriptions are 300 words, 3 paragraphs. And that was it. I systemized it, structured it. Very simple to do for me. Took me 5 hours this time, and now I've got to schedule it. And well, so when I schedule it, I've got to upload it, and then it's all done. And here's the final piece. This is the booklet. Now, I don't very often make booklets for online courses, but this is the scripts that you get with the course itself. So you could have it on your phone. It's in the phone dimensions. And yeah, this is added value. This is literally everything I learned to help me overcome my social anxiety, with curious questions and how to handle negative people, how to stop people complaining, how to navigate play party spaces, and how to work with me. So that's the final piece, and it's all done. Finished. That's the checkout page. Boom, boom. So now the final part. These are the 1-minute VSLs, 2-minute VSLs, and 3-minute VSLs. So that's going to be the last piece of this puzzle. I got the Instagram stories to sell as well. The booklet's done, obviously, and that's it. The checkout's done. It's all done. Now I just got to do the hardest part, which is marketing, selling the courses. There was a time I had it all: fame, success, and a viral Vice documentary that launched my career. But behind the scene, I was falling apart. I was pushing myself too hard, gave too many yoni massages, and in the end, I got a crack in my neck. And this changed everything. I couldn't use my body, lost my purpose, and then the Me Too movement happened, and then COVID happened, and then I moved to Sweden, and I tried to become a father, but instead, I got ghosted for 2 years, and my confidence destroyed, gone. And social anxiety, crippling social anxiety, took over, and and I started to feel invisible and unlovable. So at rock bottom, I started writing these scripts, these techniques, these confidence hacks, and I tested them out, refined them, and slowly, with the help of my friends and lovers, my anxiety disappeared. Not only that, I actually became very magnetic, very sexy. Women started to notice me, and my conversations became a lot more easier. I stopped rejecting myself while others rejected me. Sound familiar? So I've actually helped hundreds of men, women, couples, everybody with their self-worth and self-confidence. And that's why I've created this course, Self-Confidence, Overcome Social Anxiety with Simple Scripts. This course gives you everything I wish I had when I hit rock bottom. You'll also get my Krishna Charisma Playbook. It's this pocket-sized guide that you could pull out in any situation, and you've got these conversation starters and scripts in your phone. So click the link below and get my online course, get the scripts, and let's start approaching people you desire today.